lush green forest, a bird mother softly sang to her chicks, the sweet melody filling the air. She tenderly nuzzled one of the tiny chicks, feeding him from her wing. The other chicks nestled beside her, awaiting their mother's next feed. The light drizzle of rain nourished the forest floor, and the vibrant birds fluttered and danced around them, living life to the fullest. As the sun set, the bird mother and her chicks went to sleep under the starlit sky. They were a family, united by love and care. This motherly figure, the forest, and the chicks formed a beautiful harmony, a testament to the power of life and the bond between mother and child.